All right, this is my St. Lucia tour of my residence, where I am staying. As you can see, I am a walk throw from the beach. Beautiful water, magnificent water, excellent scenery. Probably the best place that I've stayed at in my entire life as far as amenities, what it's bringing as far as location, proximity to different areas, what the hotel has to offer. As you can see, I'm all the way at the bottom near the beach. The people up there are the people that stay in hotel rooms. I didn't do a hotel room, but long story short, this place has a great restaurant, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, fantastic food, fantastic bar, tours, like every restaurant does, taxi services, whatever you need, it is here. All right, so this is the outside. I'm going to show you how a pool. You got two choices of swimming. I can swim right here, or I can swim down there. So I definitely have two choices, here or here. You know what I'm saying? Here or here. This is the pool. Like I said, this is the outside. If I want to take a nap outside, I can do that. There is an outside gym. Outside shower. All the shower is taken on the outside, which is cool. Pros and cons to that. Pros and cons. But this is the shower, beautiful, big, large, has everything you need to be successful. I'm going to talk about one of the cons in a second. You have multiple ways to get down to the beach. There is also a spa here that does full body massages. The spa does nails, hair, stuff along those lines. All right, this is the door. We're gonna come on in here, close the door behind us. All right, this is the main entrance. Let me wipe my camera off real quick. This is the main area. As you can see, plain and simple, has everything you need. Very spacious. You have two doors. This is the main door. And this is the door if you want to go to the pool or walk to the beach. Very nice television. This is the bedroom. As you can see, I just didn't get here today. The bedroom. There is no TV in the bedroom, but you do have a view of the garden, plants, trees, whatever the case may be, if you want to open this up. So this is the bedroom. This is the bathroom. There is, your little sauna, jacuzzi, whirlpool, whatever you want to call it, right there, bathroom. And that is the outside shower that we talked about a little earlier. The outside shower. So you have two ways to get to this. One from the outside, which we was here, and two from the inside, which is here. All right. Man, boy, getting huge. Honestly, I ain't been to the gym in about 4 days. I'm gonna be honest with you. I might do a video on that, but sometimes when you're carrying supplements and stuff, man, you just go through hell. Like, your bag be the last one coming off of the belt, man, because when you carrying supplements and stuff, people be thinking you be, transporting drugs or whatever. So I don't really like carrying supplements. This is probably the only country I've been to where I didn't go to the gym. But I did some research, and the gym that they have here wasn't all that great. I didn't want to be paying for a taxi to and from the main gym or one of the other outside gyms, which I thought wasn't all that great either. I really just needed some time to stop taking supplements anyway, so it was kind of coming here was kind of a detox. All right, so a great place. I would stay again. Great if you just want to get away, clear your mind, go to sleep with the sounds of the ocean waves. If you want to hear birds chirping and trees moving, this is an excellent place. I would suggest it. I might put the link in the description field. More likely than not, I will. But it is a great place. And as I said before, always leave a little something there for the people that's cleaning up. But St. Lucia, I love it. Love the country. I would come back again, but I will not come back by myself. I think some things like this, enjoying this view, are only things that can be best enjoyed with somebody else. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is probably the best place I've ever stayed in my life. I've never had this view before. Literally, like, it's just amazing. You know, it's amazing. Overall, it's the best place I've ever stayed in my life. You know, there are places where I stayed in various countries that had nice views and pool views, but overall, I don't think anything is touching what I am being afforded right now. I have never stayed this close to the water. I've never stayed this close to the water. Have I had water views before, ocean views before? Yes. Were they this close? No. Probably the second closest water view I had was at the Hilton in Santo Domingo. The ocean was right across the street, but that was a couple years ago. When I did the Hilton Santo Domingo, that water looked like doggone Porta-John water. Like the water wasn't, you know what I'm saying? Water wasn't clear like that, you know what I'm saying? So overall, this is the best place, you know what I'm saying? But this is it. What are we at, 7 minutes? Oh, I'm out. Till next time. You subscribe, you like,